We'll see how to download SQL Server Management Studio. You can also call it as SSMS. So we can directly download it from the setup file. This is my SQL Server 2022 setup file. From here we can download and install. If you have the SQL Server 2022 setup, we can download and install from here itself, or else we can go to the Google and we can search for it as well. See here, go to the installation and install SQL Server Management Tools. So if you click here, it will be redirected to Microsoft website. Here you can download this free download for SQL Server Management Studio 19. This is the latest version. You can download it from here, or else you can directly go to the Google and you can search for it, like SSMS download. This is also same thing. You can download it from here as well. Just go to the setup file. So this is the setup file that we have downloaded. Just right click on it, run as administrator. Just click on install. So once the SQL Server Management Studio is installed, we have to restart the restart the server to reflect the changes. Let's try to open this one. Just go to the start and type SSMS. It will open like this. So if you want to open the default instance, just type your host name. Okay, I have already told you how to know your host name. Just go to this command prompt. Just go to the command prompt, type host name. So it will give you the host name. of your server. This is your host name. So if you want to open the default instance, then you have to type this host name. Okay. If you want to open the named instance, you have to type default instance name / named instance. Both you have to type like this. If you don't know the host names, or like if you don't know this instance name, then you have to go for browse for more database in your service. Here you can see what are the available instances we have. You can see here. From here itself you can open this. And this way you can connect to the SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you.